these houses that we'll see now are actually built during workshops and are, let's say, experimental.
To be more sure when it is ready, you can count the acidity 7.2.
Healthy plants, they just don't need only nutrients, just give them fertilizers. They have been evolved for thousands and hundreds and millions of years with this soil life around them. So if there is not this soil life, it's something that is empty.
It's like the most agey side. I know it's tempting to put the longer side because it will go faster, but it will make it much stronger.
So the place that we are, the morphology, we are, let's say, it's called Kato Olympus, which means the lower part of Olympus.
When we get a mushroom, we put the knife in the soil and we put all the mushroom out. And it's waiting the rain, so the rain will come, will pop on it, and the seeds starting to get out, you see? This is the seeds of the mushroom. We're not collecting mushrooms like this.
Some people
if you wanna dry it and make it a tea.